beautiful everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now a bad shine or Semigi. I see say today she dey celebrate anniversary 3 years marriage. So she dey celebrate am today. I beg my darling people, na not the way we dey do am here. So if you know say you be lovers of good thing, may you join me celebrate this amazing woman. Celebrate her so that celebration no go see depart for your house. You understand? So when I see say she posts the picture today, I say yes, I have to celebrate Mrs. Osemigi. Congratulations, my darling sister. Congratulations to you for your anniversary. I pray may this your marriage. This your marriage, it go be blessing upon blessings. Blessings upon blessings. Many children where you go born for your husband. I know say some people talk am that day say, what did she dey wait for? She never see born. Now God dey bring pikin. Now God na dey bring pikin. More not dey use pikin till they mock person again. She go born at the right time. You understand? God not make anybody arrogant. She first still get pikin before, and God will still bring another one again. You understand? So congratulations, my sister. I am so happy for you. This your marriage. Eto ne hui waya egbe, eto no fwa e waya mo soto. Now black hair now na take know each other. Now white now na go take drop down. So I am so happy for you. Congratulations for your anniversary. Congratulations. Mona join me. Congratulate her more. I beg. If you be lovers of good thing, congratulate her. That's what we dey do here. Anybody where they happy, we dey follow them, they happy. Not be only saga. Not be only where they do bad thing, we go they bring them out. No. But if they celebrate, we will say they join them. They celebrate. Now so we dey do for this my platform here. You understand? If I say do it, when I not say like, when I still forgive me. I have say, I say it be. So Mona join me, Mona congratulate her, Mona congratulate Shine and the husband for the anniversary. You know, easy today this year because marriage, you know, easy. Marriage now school where person not they graduate. You don't feel graduate for marriage, and so it be. So if you see person where does it stay reach like 3 years, we just marry beg, Mona they happy for them because some people they. 1 year they don't separate. 1 year they don't separate. They not there again. Which one be 1 year? Say, which are they talk? I know about the way married. You never ever stay reach 1 month. You don't come out because you don't fit tolerate the man. So marriage now, if you know they tolerate and you know they bear for marriage, you not fit stay marriage. Either the man go they bear follow you, or you go they bear. 2 soldiers not fit the house. You understand? Marriage now manage. Everybody will they manage each other. That make with the fit stay marriage. You understand? But if you be the type not to tolerate, you don't go fit. So I beg, Mona congratulate her because it's not easy. Thank you, my darling people. Please help me to share the video. Bye.
Hello, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. It's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemigi, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka the president of the Comfortable Housewives. Yes, I would like to drop this little message for mothers all over the world. Yes, women, oh yeah, oh yeah, women, oh yeah, oh yeah, women, oh yeah, oh yeah. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Yes, as a mother, as one of the mothers of all nations, I've decided to drop this message for my fellow women. Yes, because it is something that is bothering me, and I said, okay, before I rush out of the house for school run, let me just quickly drop this message, because if I do not drop it, it will keep bothering me, and it has been bothering me. But I just said, let me quickly do it now. Time is not on my side right now. If you look out, if you're in Benin City, you will know that it wants to rain heavily. The cloud has changed. It's very cloudy now, right here in Benin City, and already raining in some parts. But I said, as one of the mothers of all nations, let me drop this message that is bothering women of these days. Okay, my candid advice to mothers is, mothers, where is we need to play a role as women, as mothers. We can together build this nation together. We can change the lives of every today woman by ourselves with our hand. We can change the mindset of every today girl child. We can actually change it. At a time, our mothers changed it, and it's about time we change it. How am I saying this? If you look at the killings happening all over the world, if you look at the killings happening, especially Nigeria, in Africa, for ritual money and fast money. So I begin to ask myself, what are the role of these mothers? So, if the guy's parents did not train him well properly, did not give him what is called you could not impact having a feeling, the effect of having human feeling in their kids, at least you should also be able to impact in your kids, in your girl child. Yes, you should be able to impact it in your girl child. Mothers, learn to follow up your girl child from a tender age. Don't say she is too small. I think I said this thing like about 2 years ago. I talked about it. Don't say she's too small. Nurture your girl child in the things of life, in a way of life that she needs to understand. Don't say she's too small to be exposed to this or that. If you don't teach her, if you don't catch her young, her mates will teach her. If you don't teach her, the guy outside will teach her. Your next door neighbor will teach her. That's why you need to teach her. Inculcate in your girl child how to choose rightly a man. It is not all that glitters that is gold. All that glitters is not gold. I remember when we were growing up, if I cannot tell my father I have a boyfriend, I won't die. For wait, I will not pass. Or I will not say I have a boyfriend, I want to go and sleep in his house. As how? What will I tell my father? It is not possible. He must say all of us before he goes to bed. What is happening to the parenting of today? What is happening to the parenting of today? So, but the highest person you can let know about your relationship is probably your mother. And she will talk to you, in the best way she understands. What she does not know, she cannot teach you. That is the honest truth. And most of our mothers weren't educated.